Do you struggle with stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? You're not alone. Millions of people in the US and UK face the same problem every single day. Belly fat isn't just about how you look, it's about how you feel, how you move, and how healthy your future will be. The good news? You don't need expensive gyms, fancy equipment, or miracle pills. With the right approach, science-backed workouts, smarter food choices, and a winning mindset, you can finally take control. In this video, I'll share everything you need: the truth about belly fat, the best at-home workouts, the lifestyle hacks that actually work, and the motivation to stay consistent.
1. The truth about belly fat.
First, let's clear the biggest myth. You cannot spot reduced belly fat. Your body doesn't burn fat from just one place. It burns it overall. But here's the catch. Belly fat is often the last to go, which makes it frustrating. Why does this matter? Because belly fat isn't just sitting under your skin. There's a deeper layer called visceral fat that wraps around your organs. And research shows it's directly linked to heart disease, type 2 diabetes, stroke, and even shorter lifespan. But here's the good news. When you lose weight the right way, through movement, diet, and lifestyle changes, your body taps into that visceral fat. That means every workout, every healthy choice is literally extending your life. So losing belly fat isn't just about fitting into jeans. It's about protecting your heart, your brain, and your future.
Warm up. Before any fat-burning workout, your body needs to prepare. Skipping warm-up is like driving a car at full speed without starting the engine. It can lead to injury and slower results. Here's a simple warm-up routine you can do in just 3 minutes. Arm circles to loosen your shoulders. Torso twists to activate your core. Light jogging or marching in place to get your blood pumping. Already, your body is turning into a calorie-burning machine.
3. 10 best belly fat burning exercises.
Now the fun begins. Here are 10 exercises that don't just burn calories, but also strengthen your core and improve endurance. Each exercise should be done for about 45 seconds with 15 seconds rest. You can repeat this full circuit 2 to 3 times for maximum results. High knees. Run in place, lifting your knees as high as possible. Great for burning calories fast. Bicycle crunches. Twist your body side to side, engaging your abs. Mountain climbers. In push-up position, drive your knees to your chest. Cardio plus core in one. Plank shoulder taps. Hold plank, tap shoulders alternately. Build stability. Burpees. Full body calorie killer. Squat, push-up, jump. Boat pose hold. Sit, lift legs, hold. Burns your abs like crazy. Jumping jacks. Old school but powerful cardio. Side plank hip dips. Drop and lift hips while in side plank. Russian twists. Twist side to side with or without weight. Squat jumps. Explosive movement that torches fat. Don't worry if you can't do them perfectly on day one. Progress, not perfection, is the real goal.
4. Lifestyle hacks.
Exercise is powerful, but without lifestyle changes, results will be slow. Here are science-backed hacks to speed up belly fat loss. Eat more protein and fiber. Protein keeps you full, fiber supports digestion. Cut sugary drinks and alcohol. They're the #1 hidden source of belly fat. Manage stress. Stress increases cortisol, a hormone that signals your body to store fat in the belly. Sleep at least 7 hours. Lack of sleep directly leads to weight gain. Remember, you can't out-train a bad diet, but when you combine both, the results are unstoppable. Congratulations! If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people who quit after watching the first minute. Now it's time to act. Start with these workouts, apply the lifestyle tips, and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Comment below, "I'm in," if you're starting today. And don't forget to subscribe for more weekly fitness motivation designed just for you. This is your journey. This is your time. Let's burn that belly fat together.